front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connections right away. Then click on Bluetooth at the top on the left and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Now wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Quick tip: if you wanna connect to another tablet or a smartphone, you will have to accept connection request manually on the second device. As you can see, mine were successfully connected. Now to manage this connection, use this gear right next to your paired device. And here you can rename it. Connect by tapping on Connect option in the middle, or tap on this switcher next to Internet Access to switch it on or switch it off. If you wanna unpair your device, hit unpair at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!